Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Safwan bin Shafee and I'm from Home-Based Dr. Lem Pao Chong. I will presenting about my project which is Pixie Creative Hub. Pixie Creative Hub is a place where community get the best condition to be creative, where younger generation come to contribute to a new idea and older generation come to provide the knowledge and skill of traditional art and craft. So this can be as the best to design and transform by new generation ideas into a commercial product. This will be a new nodes and focal point for the people in Kota Tinggi and Johor who seek an open platform for experimentation, collaboration, and exhibition to show their talents. Okay, the next one is the issue. The first one is by separated between young and older generation, cause the older generation knowledge not passed through to young generation. And the second one is no community hub that can promote traditional art and craft. And the third one is in Malaysia, there lack of integration point for artists, researcher, designer to study about traditional art. And the last one is lack of development in Kota Tinggi. The aim for my building is to integrate community in development of creative talent and committed to helping become a creative hub and removing the barrier to its growth. The objective for my building is to promote interaction between the younger and older community by exchanging their knowledge and skill through product, workshop and seminar. The next one is to create iconic identity or focal point for community in order to revive Kota Tinggi through art and craft. And the third one is act as a public community center for all, accommodating young generation and old generation community of Kota Tinggi. The last one is to strengthen human capital by increasing pupil learning access and connect local entrepreneur with creativity. The next one is the program that I have in my building is Creative Hub, Educational and Commercial. Okay, the next one is the client. The client in my building is my creative. So what is my creative? My creative is a government investment arm that aims to spur Malaysia creative industry via strategy and innovative funding through equity or debt investment. Okay, for the target user for my creative hub is the local itself, which is young generation and older generation that can specify into a few, which is artist, sculpture, student, entrepreneur, designer, and also tourists from local and international. Okay, the next one is site analysis diagram and also SWOT. For the strength for our site is near to the main road junction and our site is easier to be accessed and it's also located in commercial area. And for the weakness that our site is located at the main road so that it will near to the vehicle noise and also our site is lack of nature green feature around. And for the opportunity that can be develop a new nodes for innovative activity. And the last one is a threat, which is a flood. My concept for my creative hub is the light of reciprocity. Light is a metaphor of a bright idea, a good and smart idea. Reciprocity is a process of exchanging things with other people in order to gain a mutual benefit. The socialization process play an important role in development of this need to reciprocate. Through experience, young learn to share with others, take turns, and engage with reciprocal action. Okay, the next one is inspiration. I am inspired by Kelip-Kelip and also known as a night pixie firefly since Kota Tinggi is the one of the area that still retain the beauty of nature for firefly habitat. It symbolizes of hope for the growth of Kota Tinggi without destroying their habitat. The characteristic of Kelip-Kelip is ability of generate light by blinking their flash to attract mates and showing off their light that will enchant us with immediately around curiosity and size our imagination. This represents the interaction of our target user which are local and tourist visualize at the same time. Therefore, they can dig in the knowledge of Kota Tinggi. The light attract them which can lead them feel enlightened by light sources where new ideas come from innovative thought. Okay, basically my form is mimic Kelip-Kelip itself by their exoskeleton skin and wing structure combined with a traditional house element such as pinch roofing that's suitable with our climate. Okay, for the design approach, basically for my upper floor have been elevated, it's because I want to prevent from a flood into the building and also want to create a cross ventilation. The next one is my building have a different level of floor and large opening between the space could enhance the ventilation inside the building so that fresh air could be supplied through the presence of double volume and pocket garden. The next one is create a level of hierarchy classification each level into a public, semi-public and private in order to make sure the circulation flow perfectly and securities. Okay, this is my development of my design. Okay, the next one is side plan and also exterior perspective. This slide show ground floor plan and also interior perspective. Basically, my ground floor plan provide public space such as food truck, function hall and also services area. So the entrance for my building is from Jalan Tun Sri Lanao. This slide show first floor and second floor plan. Basically, these two floors are commercial area where it got space like cafe, booth area, and retail shop. For the second floor, there has a space for a user can exchange their knowledge and idea in private, which is picture room and also meeting room. This slide show a mezzanine floor and also third floor plan. Basically, these two floor plan like a semi-public and private area, which are semi-public space like a classroom, workshop, auditorium, and gallery. For a private space like a office. Okay, this slide show elevation from east. Okay, this slide show elevation from south. Okay, this is section YY. Okay, this slide show the exploded axonometry of my building. So the sustainable design that have in my building is the first one is water garden. It may help to cool down the building and produce natural cooling system. And the material that used in my building are mostly composite material by using timber, brick, concrete, and steel. And the utilize of pitch roof to respond with a local climate. The trees and plants shade as a natural shading could reduce the glare and block the harsh light from the sky and the other surface. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.